This is the Wheel of Bass 125 watt slim underseat or trunk mounted powered subwoofer for your car or truck. This is a true all-in-one subwoofer solution to give you great sounding bass in your vehicle without taking up a lot of space. And with 125 watts of power, the Wheel of Bass has enough power where you can mount it in your trunk and still get a nice clean and thumpy low-end sound throughout your whole vehicle. The Wheel of Bass combines a high-quality 8-inch subwoofer inside a sturdy and solid cast aluminum enclosure with the amplifier built in. The height of the whole enclosure is only 3.15 inches, which means it can fit anywhere. But you're probably wondering what the subwoofer sounds like, so let's go to Perry, who has a demo set up for us.
What's up, guys? So I have the Wheel of Bass all set up here and ready to go underneath my driver's seat, and I also have the bass remote knob set up, which is really handy because I can use this to control the volume coming out of the subwoofer without having to go into the back and adjust the settings from there. So I'm gonna play some music right now from my phone so we can hear how the Wheel of Bass sounds. Here we go. Okay. Start to hear it a little bit now, but just wait for the drop. All right. All right. Man, that's crazy. Oh my gosh. All right, that is so cool. So much fun.
As you saw from that demo, the Wheel of Bass is an all-in-one subwoofer solution to add great low-end sound to your vehicle. It comes with everything you need for a quick and easy install. It comes with mounting hardware so that if you don't want to put the subwoofer under your seat, you can also mount it to the back of one of your seats or mount it to the trunk of your car. It also comes with a power ground and remote line harness that makes wiring super easy to do. Now, looking at this side of the amplifier panel, we have a 15 amp fuse, the power remote and ground terminals to power the unit, and then we have our RCA inputs to get signal from the output of your head unit. Right next to that, we have a high-level input port where our high-level input adapter would plug in. You can use this if your head unit does not have any RCA outputs. This means this amplifier will work with a stock or aftermarket head unit. Over here, we have our bass remote knob port where you can plug in the included metal bass remote knob to control the level of the amp in the subwoofer from the front of your vehicle. This is super convenient so that you can appropriately set the gain of the amp in the sub to whatever song you are listening to in real time. On the other side of the enclosure, we have our phase switch so that you can change the phase of the subwoofer from 0 degrees to 180 degrees to ensure that the subwoofer is perfectly hitting in sync with the rest of your system, especially if you are using more than one subwoofer in your setup. And right next to that, we have an auto on and off button that will work with the smart turn on to sense when an audio signal is present and turn on the whole subwoofer system. When you turn off your music, the amplifier will automatically turn itself off. A quick note, this auto on feature only works when you are using the high level input. Next to that, we have a low pass filter to filter out high frequencies, and that ranges between 50 Hz and 180 Hz. So for example, if you set it to right here around 100 Hz, it will only play frequencies of 100 Hz and below. This allows you to really target the low-end frequencies you want to hear. Then we have a bass boost knob that will boost the frequencies around 45 Hz up to 12 dB. You can use this if you want a little more thump sound from your woofer. And the last knob is our input gain knob to control the overall volume of the amplifier and sub. So if you're looking for an 125 watt slim underseat or trunk mounted powered subwoofer for your car or truck, look no further than the Wheel of Bass from Rockville.